changing up the panel because supervisory didn't work. We should change that. Instead. It's a little easier to do the side wings instead of the screws. Sometimes they put the screws behind the board on some panels, so I assume that's what it was. I took the board off. I didn't realize you could just take out those 4 screws. So if you're dealing with 6800, just take out 4 screws and the whole thing comes out. And just a tip. Took pictures of all the wiring and made it with a Sharpie. So anyway, I'm gonna with this. So they're to the side so I don't lose them. See, I prefer a shirt with a breast pocket, but the company I work for currently does not put the breast pocket on the shirt. Little screws like that, you end up losing them if you don't have something like that sticking in. And that would have been so much easier if I'd have known that. Now I know. there. And something like that, you know, snug it, but you ain't got to crank it down. Too much coffee this morning. Good to go in there. So I'll do a video after I'm done terminating everything back on. And get that connected back up. And I'll put the oven in that board just in the back for an RMA. Okay. I'll also change out this display.